You are looking great today. You are looking great today. They are playing in the park. They are playing in the park. We are ready to go. We are ready to go. The shops are open now. The shops are open now. You are very kind. You are very kind. The kids are watching TV. The kids are watching TV. These flowers are beautiful. These flowers are beautiful. My parents are at home. My parents are at home. The doors are locked. The doors are locked. You are always on time. You are always on time. The students are in the classroom. The students are in the classroom. The lights are on. The lights are on. The dishes are clean now. The dishes are clean now. You are doing a great job. You are doing a great job. My friends are coming over. My friends are coming over. The tickets are expensive. The tickets are expensive. The windows are open. The windows are open. The roads are busy today. The roads are busy today. Your shoes are under the table. Your shoes are under the table. My cousins are visiting us. My cousins are visiting us. Your keys are on the table. Your keys are on the table. The chairs are arranged properly. The chairs are arranged properly. These paintings are amazing. These paintings are amazing. We are happy with the results. We are happy with the results. You are always welcome here. You are always welcome here. You are not listening to me. You are not listening to me. They are not at school today. They are not at school today. We are not interested in this. We are not interested in this. The shops are not open yet. The shops are not open yet. You are not serious about this. You are not serious about this. The kids are not playing outside. The kids are not playing outside. These flowers are not real. These flowers are not real. My parents are not at home. My parents are not at home. The doors are not closed. The doors are not closed. You are not late today. You are not late today and trying. The students are not in the library. The students are not in the library. The lights are not working. The lights are not working. The dishes are not washed. The dishes are not washed. You are not trying hard enough. You are not trying hard enough. My friends are not coming today. My friends are not coming today. The tickets are not available. The tickets are not available. The windows are not broken. The windows are not broken. The roads are not empty. The roads are not empty. Your shoes are not clean. Your shoes are not clean. My cousins are not staying here. My cousins are not staying here. Your keys are not lost. Your keys are not lost. The chairs are not comfortable. The chairs are not comfortable. These paintings are not original. These paintings are not original. We are not satisfied with the service. We are not satisfied with the service. You are not alone in this. You are not alone in this. Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay? Are they coming to the party? Are they coming to the party? Are we going to the mall? Are we going to the mall? Are the shops open today? Are the shops open today? Are you ready for the test? Are you ready for the test? Are the kids playing outside? Are the kids playing outside? Are these flowers fresh? Are these flowers fresh? Are my parents at home? Are my parents at home? Are the doors locked? Are the doors locked? Are you enjoying the movie? Are you enjoying the movie? Are the students studying? Are the students studying? Are the lights turned off? Are the lights turned off? Are the dishes clean? Are the dishes clean? Are you working on this project? Are you working on this project? Are my friends arriving soon? Are my friends arriving soon? Are the tickets expensive? Are the tickets expensive? Are the windows open? Are the windows open? Are the roads crowded? Are the roads crowded? Are your shoes under the bed? Are your shoes under the bed? Are my cousins visiting us? Are my cousins visiting us? Are your keys on the table? Are your keys on the table? Are the chairs arranged properly? Are the chairs arranged properly? Are these paintings real? Are these paintings real? Are we going in the right direction? Are we going in the right direction? Are you excited about the trip? Are you excited about the trip? Aren't you feeling well? Aren't you feeling well? Aren't they coming to the party? Aren't they coming to the party? Aren't we supposed to be there? Aren't we supposed to be there? Aren't the shops closed now? Aren't the shops closed now? Aren't you ready for the exam? Aren't you ready for the exam? Aren't the kids asleep yet? Aren't the kids asleep yet? Aren't these flowers artificial? Aren't these flowers artificial? Aren't my parents at work? Aren't my parents at work? Aren't the doors unlocked? Aren't the doors unlocked? Aren't you enjoying the music? Aren't you enjoying the music? Aren't the students paying attention? Aren't the students paying attention? Aren't the lights on? Aren't the lights on? Aren't the dishes dirty? Aren't the dishes dirty? Aren't you helping them? Aren't you helping them? Aren't my friends coming over? Aren't my friends coming over? Aren't the tickets sold out? Aren't the tickets sold out? Aren't the windows shut? Aren't the windows shut? Aren't the roads empty at night? Aren't the roads empty at night? Aren't your shoes missing? Aren't your shoes missing? Aren't my cousins staying here? Aren't my cousins staying here? Aren't your keys inside the drawer? Aren't your keys inside the drawer? Aren't the chairs uncomfortable? Aren't the chairs uncomfortable? Aren't these paintings expensive? Aren't these paintings expensive? Aren't we supposed to meet at 5? Aren't we supposed to meet at 5? Aren't you happy with the results? Aren't you happy with the results?